All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're in the artificial intelligence course, and we're still inside our knowledge module. It should be just one more night of the knowledge module, Lord willing. But let's go over the things we went over tonight. So tonight we went over inference by resolution, and what that helps us do is to determine if the knowledge base entails a query of A. We convert the knowledge base in not A to conjunctive normal form. We keep checking to see if we can use resolution to produce new clauses. If ever we produce the empty clause equivalent to a false, we have a contradiction, and knowledge base entails the query of A. Otherwise, if we can't add new clauses, there can be no entailment. So this is an example of inference by resolution. Does A or B and not B or C and not C entail a query of A? Step one, we assume that A is false. A or B and not B or C and not C and not A. This is now in conjunctive form or in conjunctive normal form, and we have four different clauses. Step two, now we can start applying the resolution rule to our clauses. Not B and not C turn into not B. Then we repeat the process for A and B and not B and not A. Next, A or B and not B turn into A. Lastly, we can repeat the process one more time. A and not A will leave us with an empty clause, which we know to be false. We can safely conclude that our knowledge base, A or B, and not B or C, and not C, does in fact entail A. Now, that was an example of the inference by resolution, and that is all under the branch or umbrella of propositional logic. Now, it was a lot of typing tonight. It was a lot of good information, and it wasn't that bad of a night. Everything seemed to go well. Information was flowing. I was picking it up. Yep. This is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.